change it. So what we see over here, the homepage has archives. Why? By default, WordPress was a blog editor. And a long time ago they changed it, but this is still the way how they start their website. So if we want to change this, so if we don't want to show the latest blog posts on our website, but show the homepage, then we can go back, and then we can go to the homepage settings and say, I want to choose a static page instead of our latest posts. Then we can select the homepage, home, there it goes. And then we can select the blog page or the post page, which is blog. You don't see it, but I'm selecting it over here. Then I want to go back one more time. And I want to go to the menus, into our main menu. If you go to apple.com, you can go to the iPhone. And if you want to go back to the homepage, there is no home. You need to click on the logo. Well, that's what I also want to do. So I don't need home over here. I want to click on the logo. We're going to add a logo in a minute. So I click over here and I remove it. And I click on publish. And if I close this, you see how it looks. Okay, I don't like it at all, but we have our menu with a sub menu. So what I want to do now, I want to add my logo. And if you want to learn how to create a logo for free, not a really complicated logo, you can go to youtube.com and search for Ferdy logo. Hit enter, and there I have 3 tutorials. Create a logo for free within 5 minutes. Then make a logo for free with a transparent background. And transparent background can be really handy when you want to have a white logo over here with a dark background. And when you scroll, a colored logo. And how to create a simple logo in Photoshop. Well, I created mine in Photoshop just by taking a look at other logos. I thought I'm all about web design. Maybe I can play around with the word, and I came to the word web divine. Like, my websites are so amazing, they're divine. Okay, that's the whole idea behind it. So I go back to the customizer, then I go to the site identity, and I want to select my logo over here. I can upload a file, or I can select a file over here.